Hello everyone, welcome to Programmatics Institute YouTube channel, and we welcome you all to season number 2 of Success Stories with Toppers. So in this season, we are going to introduce you to 10th standard ICSE, CBSE, IGCSE and SSC toppers, and they are going to share with you some secrets, some success tips, some study tips and some exam tips which can help you to succeed similar to them. So today we have with us Mr. Vareen Mehta, one of the ultra toppers. He has scored 97.8% in his ICSE 10th standard 2020 examination. He is All India rank 11. All India rank 11. Okay. And he has got a gold medal in National Cyber Olympiads. He has also got a silver medal in National Science Olympiads. So Vareen, thank you so much for taking out time, and we are happy to have you in this talk show.
Okay.
So are you excited to answer the questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Completely accepted.
Okay, so we have a couple of questions which are asked by 10th standard students, and we are going to ask the questions to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let us begin with question number 1. What are the top 3 study tips for any ICSE student? And also, how did you get this marvelous score of 97.8? Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for introducing me. Firstly, I would like to say that scoring 90 plus in ICSE is not at all difficult. Means if you are consistent in your preparation, if you focus on all the subjects equally and never take too much load of your pre-boards or other marks, then it will be quite easy for you to score 90 plus. The main point comes out that 95 plus कैसे score करें. उसके लिए you have, since they are 5% more, you will have to leave something or you will have to do something extraordinary which others don't do. So firstly, what I did was that I maintained consistency in my preparation. I used to study every day for 3 to 4 hours, and be it school, classes, tuitions, anything, I used to study. Means इतना तो करना ही है, उससे ज़्यादा किया वो bonus. Then comes Sunday. Sunday usually we see that people roam around and go out stations, but I never went in 10th standard. Instead, Sunday was a bonus day for me. I used to study completely on Sunday. Means 6 to 7 hours were minimum on Sunday,
Okay.
and that helped me complete my portion faster and made me thorough with my preparation.
Okay, great. So wonderful secrets he has informed you all, and that consistency is a must. You need to start early, and even on Sundays, as he mentioned, that he used to study for 6 to 8 hours. So that is what you all need to follow. So let us go to question number 2 now. How did you prepare a few months before and during your exams? Now this is the most crucial part. January, February, March, April, जिसमें आपका प्रीलिम का एग्जाम्स आता है, फिर आपका क्लासेस का प्रीलिम्स होता है. ओके, तो उस टाइम पे आपने कैसे प्रिपरेशन किया, एंड इन बिटवीन योर एग्जाम्स जो 2 दिन का ब्रेक होता है उसमें आपने कैसे मैनेज किया?
For this I would like to say that कि जो मेन आपका जो 10th स्टैंडर्ड का जो पार्ट होता है ICSE के लिए, वो होता है एग्जाम्स के 3 to 4 months पहले का. In that time you have to, means you are completely done with your portion, and you give many prelims, mock tests, of the same format as we give in our boards. Then the most important thing you have to do in this 3 to 4 months is the previous year papers. There are many books available, and there are many websites on internet which gives you these past year papers of ICSE. The main secret for everyone scoring 90 plus is that they do the past year papers very thoroughly. Means पूरा 10th standard आपने जो पढ़ा था सब कुछ पढ़ना ही है, बट जो लास्ट 3-4 months में जो past year papers है वो सबसे ज़्यादा important है. And that too I would like to reveal that मैंने जो past year papers थे वो डायरेक्ट काउंसिल की वेबसाइट पे से किए थे, which is very much important. मतलब there is some difference between those available on those available on other websites and those available in books. But the council's one were the best as it was prepared by the invigilators who checked the paper. It contained all the mistakes of the students and what type of answers the invigilators want and how much marks you will get for writing which point. That is most important.
Great. So he has given you very nice insights. कि आपने जाके ICSE की वेबसाइट पे you can download papers, you can attempt those papers properly, you can also get it corrected by an experienced teacher, analyze your mistakes and not repeat those mistakes. So that is one of the key secrets which help you go past 90. Okay, so Nidhi ma'am, can you go with the third question?
Yes.
Yeah.
So भाई 10th standard का जो आपका journey है, it's a long journey and it's filled with ups and downs, right? Some things went wrong, some things went right.
Yes.
So we would like to know what were the techniques that you used, some that which worked for you and some which did not work, and what were the mistakes that others should not do.
Okay. So techniques which worked for me was that my consistency. There I saw many people who were not consistent. Means in the first 5 to 6 months they were very energetic. But जैसे ही बोर्ड एग्जाम नजदीक आया उनका ध्यान मतलब सब कुछ छूट गया. तो वो that one should never do. And secondly मतलब take breaks. मैंने भी ब्रेक्स लिया था, बहुत सारा ब्रेक लिया था. But after studying आपका जो कोटा है दिन का और वीक का और मंथ का वो कंप्लीट हो जाने के बाद you can take breaks. Then now the thing which did not help me was I had many friends who studied late nights till 12-1, but I was never able to do that. Before the boards, I think in November, I started sleeping late nights like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, but that did not help me. Instead, it wasted my time. My focus reduced during the day. So I would recommend everyone that if you want to change your body schedule, please do that before 6 months or 6 to 8 months before your board exam. Don't do it in between, as it will waste your time instead of studying more.
So biological clock, you need to identify yours and understand and schedule your timetable as per your preference. Okay. So let us go to the last question.
Yes.
Okay. So how did you balance between languages and math science? Okay. Some tips for both. Like any specific tips you did to
Share.
yeah.
For languages and math science, see, we have 10. I was having 10 subjects in ICSE, and frankly speaking, they were मतलब बहुत सारे थे वो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा था सब कुछ. But in the end सब कुछ खत्म हो ही जाएगा, and you have to focus equally on all the subjects. मतलब मैथ्स एंड साइंस पसंद है तो वो किया, लैंग्वेजेस नहीं पसंद नहीं किया, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. क्योंकि जो बेस्ट ऑफ 5 का आपका परसेंटेज निकलेगा वो लैंग्वेजेस उसमें कंपल्सरीली इंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा. इसलिए आपको लैंग्वेजेस पे भी उतना ही ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. एंड फॉर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर द बेस्ट थिंग इज दैट यू रीड योर टेक्स्ट बुक और ड्रामा लाइक MOV. You read it thoroughly and mark all the keywords and try to remember almost as many keywords as possible. The more keywords you use in your answer, the more marks you fetch. And for Hindi also, in Ekanki Sanchaya and Sahitya Sagar, you can mark or highlight those few keywords and use them in your answer. It improves the quality of your answer. And then for math science, mainly in math, I was never afraid of math during my 10th standard. And frankly speaking, I practiced maths every day. That is during the lectures. I used to sit at one place and our sir used to mark us questions, and we solved each and every question, which helped me very much. And I did not practice maths at home, but if you are finding difficulty, try practicing every day, as it will help you in the long run. मैंने 10th में maths का load लिया ही नहीं था. मतलब board exam के पहले भी I was very much chilled out for maths. And for science, since it has 3 parts, it will take time. Like biology took the most of my time, and then comes physics. And here I would also like to add the point that suppose आपका जो board exam का time table होगा, उसमें we don't get equal holidays in all the subjects. Like this year, physics was having just 1 holiday, but there is no such trend which we hear in the market कि एक ही छुट्टी है तो पेपर इजी निकलेगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इस बार फिजिक्स का पेपर लास्ट टाइम जितना ही टफ निकला था. इसलिए selective and also try avoiding selective study in English, Hindi and all the subjects, as it will not help you in the long run. कि suppose last year ये चैप्टर आया था तो ये year नहीं आएगा. ऐसा कोई ट्रेंड नहीं है काउंसिल का. वो कुछ कभी भी कुछ भी आ सकता है. ऐसा रिस्क प्लीज मत लो. And for now comes SS. Many people find it boring, but we have to study it. For history also, if you are not able to remember the long answer, try at least remembering the points. That is the main points in the answer. If you remember those, you will fetch marks as mentioned in the analysis of pupils' performance on Council's website. And but you will have to read the textbook also thoroughly, as the section A contains the small answer question which they ask from nook and corner of the textbook. So
That's it. Okay. Great. Wonderful. Thank you so much. And I know the viewers will appreciate whatever insights Vareen has given. So thank you so much, Vareen. And we wish you all the very best. आप जैसे आपने ICSE में अच्छा स्कोर अचीव किया, उम्मीद करते हैं वैसे ही आप JEE मेंस एडवांस में आप नेशनल लेवल पे कुछ करके दिखाएंगे.
hoping for the best.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Vareen, and thank you so much to all the students and parents who have been watching this video. I hope these videos with the toppers are adding some value to you in your studies and academics. If you have any more questions that you would like us to ask the toppers and would like an answer for it, so please leave them in the comment box. We would love to have those questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you.